In the 10th standard, we have to see some methods of solving linear equation in two variables. That two linear equations means simultaneous equation by equating coefficient method. Second method, that is the graphical method. Third method, that is the Cramer's rule. By these three methods, we have to solve the simultaneous equation by these three methods. Lastly, we have to see how to solve the non-linear equation. First, we have to convert this equation into linear equation, and then we have to solve these two equations by any one of the method. Now, today we have to see the word problems which are depends upon the linear equation in two variables. Means we have to convert first these word problems into the mathematical form. Means we have to convert this equation into linear equation into two variables. Means finally we have to convert this equation into simultaneous equation, and then we have to find out final answer for that one. Okay, such type of examples today we have to see. See here, that is the application of simultaneous equations. Application of simultaneous equation means word problems we have to see today. We have to take one of the example from this one. Yes, two numbers differ by 3 and sum of the two numbers twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Means in these examples they are given to us two conditions. Two numbers differ by 3. This is the first condition. And sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19 is the second condition. With this condition, we have to convert these equations into simultaneous equation. Means we have to convert these word problems into mathematical form. Means that will be conversion of simultaneous equation. In this case, we have to observe there are two numbers differ by 3. Smaller number and greater number. Means we have to assume first smaller number and greater number. Let us consider first the greater number of these two numbers will be, we have to consider x, greater number will be x, and smaller number will be y. We know the first condition, two numbers differ by 3. This is the condition. Means difference between these two numbers is 3. Difference means we have to subtract these two numbers. That is the first condition. By first condition, difference means x minus y. This is the difference. Greater number minus smaller number. Because difference they are given to us plus 3. Means we have to subtract greater number minus smaller number. Such type of subtraction we have to take here. Therefore, the equation becomes x minus y is equal to 3. X minus y means difference between these two numbers, and this difference they are given to us 3. Therefore, we have to take on there 3. Okay. Now we have to see the second condition. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. We have to once again take sum. Twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Okay. I want to take greater number first. Greater number will be x. Thrice the greater number. Thrice the greater number means 3x. Sum of these two numbers plus twice the smaller number. Twice means smaller number is y. Its twice will be 2y. Means By the second condition, we get here thrice x means thrice the greater number plus, because we have to know the condition sum is there, plus twice the smaller number means 2x, 2y is equal to that sum will be 19. Okay, now see here, this equation we got here. Okay, in these equations, here minus y, here plus 2y, means we have to multiply this coefficient 2 to the equation number 1. Okay, that's why I want to write here into 2, means we have to multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Okay, we have to multiply both sides. 2 into x minus y is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, that multiplication will be 2 into x means 2x minus 2 into y means 2y is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. That is the equation number 3. Okay, we have to convert the first equation in the form of 3, means we have to neglect that one. Now we have to see these two equations. In these two equations, here plus 2y, here minus 2y, therefore we have to add these two equations. Automatically plus 2y and minus 2y will be cancelled, means adding equation 2 and 3 we get addition process is here. Okay, addition, here plus, here plus, here plus, here plus. Okay, automatically plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. We get 3x plus 2x, signs are same, addition plus 5x is equal to, both signs are same, addition, 19 plus 6 means 25. Okay, means 5x is equal to 25. Finally, we have to find out value of y. Therefore, we have to divide, because multiplication is there, we have to take 5 to the right side, means it is in the denominator place, means x is equal to 25 upon 5. Finally, 5 1s are 5 5s are, means we get value of x, that will be 5. Again, we know that we have to put that value in any one of the equation. Smaller equation will be 1. Therefore, we have to put that value in the equation number 1, that is x minus y is equal to 3. We have to put x is equal to 5 in that equation. Yes, we have to written here. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. I want to write that equation x minus y is equal to 3. In place of x, we have to write that value will be 5. It means 5 minus y is equal to 3. We have to take 5 to the right side of that equality. Its sign will be plus, then it becomes minus. Therefore, it will be minus y is equal to 3 plus 5 is converted into minus 5. Okay. Yes, minus y. Here different signs. Sign of larger number means minus, and difference, that will be 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Both sides minus sign is there. We have to cancel, or we have to change the signs, or multiply minus sign to the both side. Finally, we get y is equal to 2. Means we got here two values, x and y. X means we know that is the greater number, and y means we know that is the smaller number. Means finally we have to write that greater number and smaller number. Greater number is equal to x is equal to, we know the value, that will be 5. Okay, and smaller number is equal to y is equal to, that value will be 2. We have to written here. Okay, such type of answers finally we have to write, because we have to find out value of greater number and smaller numbers. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Find the numbers means we have to find out greater number and smaller number, and this greater number and smaller number becomes 5 and 2 is the answer. Okay. Now we have to see the another example which is depend upon this one. Yes, we have to see that example here. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. numerator becomes 12 times the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Fraction means that will be in terms of numerator and denominator. Means we have to first consider, let us consider that numerator and denominator, that will be x and y. See here, like numerator of a fraction will be x and denominator of that fraction will be y. We got here x and y, numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes x upon y. Yes, fraction is equal to x upon y. Means finally we have to find out value of x upon y. That fraction we have to find out finally. Which is the first condition they are given to us? The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Means denominator we have to take firstly. Okay, by the first condition we have to write here denominator of fraction. Denominator means y. Y is equal to denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Numerator becomes x. Twice its numerator means 2x. 4 more than means plus 4. Means y is equal to twice x plus 4 is the equation. Yes, we got here. Denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Okay. This is the equation. We know in that equation we have to take variable to the one side of that equality. Therefore, we have to take 2x to the left side of that equality. Its sign here plus, then it becomes minus. Then that equation becomes minus 2x. When we have to take to the left side of that equality, it becomes minus 2x plus y is equal to 4 is the first equation. Okay. Now, second condition, we know that here denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Means we have to reduce both numerator and denominator by 6. That is the condition they are given to us by second condition. If n and d means numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, then new numerator, this is the original numerator, this is the original denominator. Okay, new numerator becomes, see here, new numerator becomes, original is x, we have to reduce means subtract 6. Means new numerator is x minus 6 and new denominator is y minus 6. Again we know the condition denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Means denominator means here y minus 6 is 12 in bracket x minus 6, 12 times the numerator. That is the condition. Therefore we have to written here y minus 6 is equal to 12 times the numerator, 12 in bracket x minus 6. By the condition which is there given to us in the example, we have to write this equation first. We have to solve this one. 12 into x means 12x minus 12 6 is 72 minus 72. Means y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. In this case, we have to take once again variable to the one side and constant to the other side. Therefore, we have to take 12x to the left side of that equality. Therefore, it becomes plus 12x is converted into minus 12x, and this plus minus 6 we have to take to the right side of that equality. Minus 6 is converted into plus 6. Therefore, that becomes minus 12x plus y is equal to minus 72, and this minus 6 is converted into plus 6. Okay, left side is as like this one. Here different signs are there. Sign of larger number we have to take here, and we have to find out a difference. Then it becomes minus 12x plus y is equal to sign of larger number, that is minus, and difference will be 66. Okay, see in the first equation minus 2x plus y is there, and in the second equation also minus 12x plus y. We have to subtract here, or we have to change the signs of these equations. If we have to change the signs, means we have to multiply both sides by minus sign, then it becomes as like this one, minus into minus plus 12x, minus into plus minus y, and minus into minus plus, means we have to change the signs of that one. 12x minus y is equal to plus 66 is the equation number 2. We got here two equations. Now we have to see here in these two equations, here plus y, here minus y, means we have to add these two equations. Yes, see here, addition, adding equation 1 and 2, we get minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. 12x minus y is equal to 66. Addition process is there. We have to write the signs once again. Now automatically here coefficient 1 cancel these two, opposite terms are there. Okay, different sign of larger number, and difference 12 minus 2 means 10, and here same signs, addition 66 plus 4 means 70. It means 10x is equal to 70. Finally we have to take 10 to the right side of that equality, it is in the denominator place. Okay, x is equal to 70 upon 10. Okay, therefore finally we got here x is equal to 7. Now we have to put that value in any one of the equation. We have to put that value in the first equation, equation number 1. That equation becomes minus 2x plus y is equal to 4. In place of x we have to write 7. Then it becomes minus 2 into 7 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 7 we got here. We have to put that value in the first equation. 2x minus 2x plus y is equal to 4, minus 2 into 7 plus y is equal to 4, because value of x is 7. Okay, this multiplication 7 2s are minus 14 we got here. Minus 14 plus y is equal to 4. Finally we have to take minus 14 to the right side of that equality, then it becomes plus 14. Y is equal to 4 plus 14. Finally we get y is equal to 18. We have to find out value of that fraction, means x upon y. Okay, finally we have to find out that fraction, means we know the value of x is 7, and finally we got the value of y is also, that is also 18. These two values we have to put here, means 7 upon 18 is the fraction. Okay, this is the second example. Now we have to see the another example which is depend upon this one. Third example we have to see here. This is the third example. Yes. Two types of boxes A and B. There are two types of boxes A and B are placed in a truck. We have to put these boxes in a truck. We know the truck having capacity 10 tons. Capacity of that truck will be 10 tons. Means maximum we have to put load of that truck will be 10 tons. First condition is here. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, its wages will be 10 tons. Means we have to consider weight of box A and weight of box B. Okay, that will be we have to consider. Then we have to go towards the condition. Let us see here, like weight of box A will be X ton. Finally we have to convert, it will be in the kilogram. Okay, and weight of box B will be Y ton. Both we have to take together, then capacity of that truck will be 10 tons. We know that. How many boxes of type A? 150 boxes of type A. If one box is there, then it will be 1 into A. A means weight of that box will be X, means 1x. If there are two boxes, its answer will be 2x. If there are 10 boxes, here 10x. But in the first condition, they are given to us 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B means 150x plus 100y is equal to 10 ton. That is the first condition. Means by first condition we got here, see here, 150x plus, because we have to both the boxes we have to place in that truck, therefore addition process is there, is equal to 10 tons. Okay, in this case we have to reduce this equation, means divide 10 to both sides. Okay, when we have to divide it, this one, this 0 and divided by 10, that will be 0 cancelled. Finally that equation becomes 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. This is the reduced form of that equation. Now by the second condition, which is the second condition, but when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in a truck, it can be still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Fully loaded means capacity of that truck will be 10. When 40 boxes of type B will be placed in that truck, means by the second condition we have to write there, okay, 260 boxes of type A means 260x. Finally we have to convert that will be into 10 tons, means we have to add this one, 40 boxes of type B we have to add in these two equations. Finally we get 10 capacity of fully loaded, means capacity of that truck will be 10, means 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. Once again we have to divide this equation by 10, similar one type of that one. We get here 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, these two equations we got here. See here, these coefficients are smaller coefficients. Okay, 10 and 4. Therefore we have to multiply equation number 1 by 4 and 2 by 10. Otherwise only we have to take such type of equations. Firstly we have to multiply and then we have to see that condition. Multiply equation 1 by 4 and 2 by 10. Okay, 4 in bracket 15x plus 10y is equal to 4 into 1. We have to multiply that one, and equation 2 also 10 in bracket 26 plus 4y is equal to 10 into 1. We have to multiply both the sides of that, both the equations. Okay, now see here, that multiplication becomes 15 into 4 means 60 x plus 4 into 10y means 10y is equal to 4 into 1 means 4, and here also 10 into 26 means 260 plus 4y is equal to 10. These are the two equations. See here, plus 40y means we have to subtract here. That subtraction is written as like this one, subtract 4 minus 3. Larger equation is the fourth one and smaller is the third one, therefore we have to subtract as like this. Okay, see here, subtraction. When we have to subtract, first we have to write the signs and we have to subtraction procedure, we have to change the signs of the second one. Okay, here minus, here minus, here minus. Now see here, this is the subtraction procedure. Plus 40y minus 40y automatically cancelled. Different sign of larger number, 260 minus 60 means we know that that will be 200, and 10 minus 4 means that will be 6. Okay, means 200x is equal to 6. Finally we have to find out value of x, therefore we have to take 200 to the right side of that equality. It becomes in the denominator place, it will be x is equal to 6 upon 200. Simplify, 2 3s are 2 1s are 0 0 means value of x will be 3 upon 100. That is the value of x. Okay, we have to put that value in any one of the equation. See here, put x is equal to 3 upon 100 in the equation number 1. Equation 1, we know that 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. In that equation, we have to put this value. 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Okay, then we have to see here, in place of x, we have to write 3 upon 100. Then it becomes 15 into 3 upon 100 is equal, plus 10y is equal to 1. Okay, multiplication means multiplication of numerator, multiplication of denominator, 15 3s are, or we have to simplify that one. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 3s are 15, 3 into 3 becomes 9, and 20 into 1 becomes 20. Okay, means 9 upon 20 plus 10y is equal to 1. We have to take this 9 upon 20 to the right side of that equality. Then it becomes its sign plus here. Then it becomes minus. 10y is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 20. Okay. Now see here, denominators are different. Therefore, cross multiplication we have to do here. 20 into 1 means 20. Minus 9 into 1 means 9, means 20 minus 9 upon 20 we got here. It means 10y is equal to finally 11 upon 20. Okay. Finally, we have to find out value of y. Therefore, once again, I want to write here 10y is equal to 11 upon 20. We have to take 10 to the right side of that equality. It is in the denominator place, or 1 upon 10 we have to write there. Then it becomes y is equal to 11 upon 20 into its reciprocal will be 1 upon 10. Means 10 is in the denominator place. Okay. And divide means 11 upon 200 is the answer. Means we got here value of y as well as value of x. Okay. X means we know that weight of box A, that is x ton. Okay. And weight of box B, that is y ton. Means we have to convert this ton into kilogram. Okay, weight of box A is equal to x ton. We know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Okay, this conversion we know the first, and then we have to convert that ton into kilogram. Okay, see here. 3 into 100 means value of x into 1000, because we have to convert now, it will be into kilogram. Then it becomes x is equal to here 20 we have to cancel. Okay, 3 into 10 means 30 kg. Okay, or 2 do 0 cancel, we have to 10 into 3 means 30 kg is the weight of box A. Okay, similarly we have to convert that weight of box B also. 11 upon 200 into 1000. 20 we have to cancel here. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Means 11 into 5 means 55 kg is the weight of box B. Such type of conversions we know that means weight of box A is 30 kg and weight of box B is 55 kg is the final answer. Okay, thank you.